Hello, just recently got a Google Ads query, so let's get started on this. Sacrificing to the Google gods, I can say with 100% certainty now that running a broad match experiment alongside my regular face match campaign improves performance. I had always suspected this, but after I accidentally let my broad match experiment expire, my face match campaign tanked. I gave the base campaign 2 weeks to see if it would improve on its own, but I did not, and so I started another broad match experiment. And my base campaign is performing well again. So I have literally changed nothing other than having the experiment running. Same ads, same keywords. The only thing I do is keep up on the negative keywords and can absolutely 100% say without a doubt that my campaigns perform better with the broad match experiment running alongside the base campaign under phrase match. This is for my service based company using a target CPM and portfolio strategy to control maximum CPC, but still set very high just to avoid the rogue $100 click on an average CPC of $6 to $10. I only ever set the experiment to use 20 to 25% of the budget. That is all taken into account and is still worth the cost. Just a sacrifice I need to make to satiate Google gods. Curious if anyone else has come to this conclusion. Okay, basically it's not a sacrifice to the Google gods, but basically you are getting data. Through the broad match. What happens with broad match is you are trying with new terms and new queries and new locations are opening to you. And when you said that you are looking on your negative keywords, why are you looking on your search terms to finding out new keywords? So use search terms to find new keywords, and this is how your campaign needs to get mature. So if your campaign, I assume from the data you are saving, your campaign needs maturity and needs some data to improve on. So look around for those, and with the broad match you are letting Google to try different variants, different experiments to improve your performance. So this is how it helps. So yeah, it's not a sacrifice to the Google gods, but rather giving permission to find out new data and new opportunities for your existing campaign using broad match at 25% to see around if you find any new keywords or new opportunities where Google can help you in optimizing your current campaign, which is working very well with phrase match, to find out new things to work around. So yeah, this is how it works, and I hope you like my answer on this. And if you still have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write the comments of this video. And for anyone watching this video, these are professional help with the Google Ads audit setup management services. We are a full-fledged Google partner company. You can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Once again, thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye bye.